Hello to you, welcome back to my channel. It's been a bloody long time, hasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Even if you're not new, don't forget to subscribe because more people watch that aren't subscribed, and it's just a click of a button. Like, you don't have to turn the notifications on. It's not hurting you and it makes my day. I've made a nice coffee and I thought I would just do like an old-fashioned daily vlog. I'm not going anywhere. I've been working all week, so I finally got a day off. So I'm just gonna sort my room out, do some crafts, baking, you know, all the classic Lily things. So I'm starting off, I've got like bare half done crafts basically. I want to do this painting. I drew it out last night. I want to paint this. I'm gonna put like tape across it and then do like a little bit painted, put like a little pin board on my wall. I bought this in a shop in Lime Regis. Oh look, there's my little setup. For 50p. 50p. And I just made this out of clay. So I'm just gonna do one of those squiggly mirrors. I'm just gonna paint him. So that whole mirror cost me like 50p and people are selling them for like 25 quid or something. I will have given them to him by now. Because me and Jack are moving out, I've made us little coasters with our names on. I need to like sand them down and varnish them and stuff. And then I made a little incense thing. So it's been like a big overload of information. I have not vlogged in a month. Since I was in Plymouth. I don't think I really vlogged when I was at home. Clearly I need Helen for my confidence boost, but Helen's coming next week. Can we even bear to be excited? Can't cope. I bought this for £1 and I thought it would look really cute on my wall. Just stuck on there with a few like postcards around it. That sort of cute stuff. I got this, I wish I took a picture of the before. You can kind of see it was just like a ceramic candlestick and I just painted her green. A few things have changed in my room, so I'll give you a little tour. One of my fish died, which is sad, but I also think my shrimp is pregnant, so crazy. These are new from Lime Regis. These were like £1.95 each or something, and then the candles were like free for £2 something. So good. I'm gonna put the wiggly mirror here, that's where there's a gap. I'm really sad that that's black. When we move out, I might have to remake it because it looks sick, doesn't it? And then this I got from Tesco. They're all only £2 at the moment, so go get yourself one. I want to paint this dish actually. Oh, my camera angles are so bad. I want to paint this dish because it's currently just white with like those rust marks in it. So I want to paint that. Some similar sort of swirls, I think. And then we went to a wedding last week, so I've got some of the flowers in little pots. This wall. Please give me some ideas in the comments of what the hell to do with this wall, because it's just got like blue tack marks on it. That I should just put the Polaroids back up because I have got them in like an envelope from uni. But I think I'm gonna put all that up here. That bit looks the same, I think. Those candles maybe. I got a lily plant because obviously my name's Lily. I thought it was quite apt. Some more of those flowers. I got loads of these rocks and they all mean like different things, which I like. And then I repotted some of my plants. And yeah, I just need to fill that wall. So I think I'm going to put the pinboard thing there, the painting there, and like the postcardy bits there. But I could put them on that wall, you know. I might do that instead because I feel like that's quite a cool plan. I look atrocious and I don't think I'm going to get dressed today, so you're going to have to deal with me looking like this all day. Right, so I'm going to watch Grey's Anatomy and do my crafts. I'll show you when they're done.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
This looks freaking sick. I'm not sure which way. Maybe that way. Oh, this is not good. Maybe that way. But I just need to go over another layer. But I'm just really hungry. So I'm gonna go find some lunch. Why am I tired? It is 2:45 to be fair. I look like a tramp. Yeah, let's go find some lunch. I actually think this is the worst I've ever looked in my life. I forgot to literally vlog all day. I've just been doing crafts. Have you seen my painting?
No. That's good.
Do you want to see my painting? Grand reveal. Nimby's thing.
Oh wow.
Isn't that sick?
That's really cool.
I'm not sure which way around I want it yet. That way, I think maybe the...
That bit looks like a vagina.
Does it?
A bit.
Whoa!
Nimby.
Nimby, you knocked my candle over. Hi, Nimby. Yeah.
Silly old bastard.
Here's my painting. I think she's cute. Hey! Right, we're done. We're bleaching Alfie's hair. Because the roots are getting beefy.
They are beef.
He's gonna be a blonde bombshell. Guys, Love Island's kicking off. Oh, Love Island is kicking off. Crazy. I finished my wall. She looks cute. I kind of want to condense her and make her closer together though. Yes, I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow because I feel like I have literally vlogged nothing today. I've just been doing little crafty bits. So I will see you in the morning and watch Love Island. It's juicy. Oh wow, I do not look cute. This is just the theme of the vlog. Me not looking cute. Good morning. I have just come down out the shower. My hair's not this greasy. Wouldn't be really surprised I would be. I'm just gonna make a coffee. Let me get a cup. What cup is this? The Kings and Queens of England since 1066. That's the kind of cups we have in this house. Can't lie. We've also got the Prime Ministers. Making a little iced coffee this morning. The key to the most delicious iced coffee is you dissolve it with a tiny bit of hot water and then you fill up the rest with cold so it's not too hot. And you've got your cough. Then coconut milk. It's the way forward. It has candle wax on it. Caramel syrup. Also delicious. That looks really concerning. Glug, glug. That is a lot. Whoopsie. Gonna be a sweet one for me. And then this is the bit that always goes wrong. I think we all know that by now. That's very strong. Yeah. Oh yeah, we dyed off his hair. Here's the final product. He's ginger now.
Just a bit. I feel like we don't really need to redo it.
We could just tone it. No, but we need to do the back.
No, but I feel like it's fine.
Are you
sure?
sure?
Like no one's gonna care. I don't care.
Well, should we do a hair mask and a toner?
Yeah.
Also, sad news. You know, Moon rented us a swimming pool for like 2 weeks. They all got corona, so they can't deliver it. We were literally gonna have a swimming pool, a massive fat off Zoella pool in our garden. No, we're not because corona. Hopefully that's a bit better. Oh, my hair doesn't look awful to be fair. Should I put it in a roller or nah? We might as well while I get ready. I bought some bigger ones. Like, I don't know what I've shown you and what I haven't. Like, it's been so long since I've vlogged anything that I've just forgotten. But I just asked for the application forms for a flat, which is very exciting. So me and Jack can fill that out later. I have work this evening. Oh, today's gonna be a good day. That's what I was saying all day on Saturday, and it was a good day, you know. I was like, positive mental attitudes. We got this. Let's go. This is a big fat roller. This is like a Megan Shorts size roller. Okie dokie, let's find a mirror. I'm just sort of getting ready for the day. I want to film another couple of videos, like sit down ones. And I do have work this evening. I've moisturised, so let's put a bit of SPF on. I think I'm just gonna do like a chill, a little bit of concealer on my eyes, and then just like blush, eyebrows and mascara. It should be all good. And then like some lip balm. I've never looked better. What is new? I'm not sure, you know. I'm really not sure. It's been a good long time since I did a vlog, hasn't it? Please let me know in the comments any videos you want me to do. I would love to hear from you. That would be grand. Please don't forget to subscribe, stick around if you've got this far into the vid. Well done you. It's my birthday in a week. Oh no, less than a week. Today's the first day of my birth week, so happy birthday me. Helen's literally coming tomorrow. Isn't that so exciting? I'm so gassed. I even hardly ever wear makeup to work, you know? I always just put my eyebrows on. People are gonna be like, who are you? Because I always look so atrociously deceased. But all the old grannies love me. All the old biddies. I've got that song from Modern Family when like it's Phil and Claire's anniversary and she gets the wrong guy and he's like, so true, funny how it seems, and it's like not the right song. But I've got the wrong song stuck in my head basically. I've been using cream blush recently. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's a bit stressful to put on, I can't lie. See, like, it's hard to blend. Iris was teaching me her expert ways because she uses that cloud paint from Glossier. I deleted Instagram last week. I'm having a little cleanse, a little social media cleanse, and honestly in the last few days I look in the mirror and I'm getting ready for bed and I'm like, oh damn. So it seems to be working, you know. Can't lie. Also Love Island. Beefy. This is Monday the 16th and yesterday was Sunday, so it's like the bit where Liberty and Jake first says like I love you and the girls are like So by the time this vlog comes out it may be a bit out of date, but the final's a week today, which is so exciting. Pop some powder on, set that concealer and all that cream blush and contour. It's been a long time since I filmed myself getting ready, and it's been a long time since I actually got ready, to be fair. I haven't done a full face. Me and Katie went out the other night and I did a full face for the first time in like probably like 2-3 months. Probably like 2 months since I went to Iris's. That was only July, to be fair. I feel like July was really long. I went to Iris's, moved out of uni, still had like a few weeks at uni, did loads of stuff, then went on holiday. It felt long to me, you know. Sunburn, or is it peachy? Sun-kissed or sunburn, because there is a fine line. Oh, that one's maybe a bit sunburn. I'm well sad about the swimming pool.
Yeah.
It's actually peak.
Really annoying.
I really wanted to lounge about in my bikini and swim. There we go. There we go, bitches. Let me fill my brows in a bit. They don't really need filling in, which is what I like about like just brushing them out. There you go, see? I just need to sort my hair out. People are like, why don't you just have your hair natural? Are you joking me? I look like a horse girl, thank you. I might just do 2 little space buns down here. Let's do that. Ta-da! I banged him up. And then I've got my wall that you didn't really see very well last night. It's really annoying about like the greasy blue tack marks, but I don't know how to get rid of that. I just filmed a haul. That's why my bed's a mess. I'm just gonna have some lunch. I need to plug the air bubbles back in on the fish before one of them pops its clogs. Delightful. It's actually a well nice day. This was how I did my hair in the end. Little bunchies. Yeah, I'm just gonna munch my dinner. Probably watch a bit of YouTube. My dinner? I meant my lunch. I have never looked better right now. Wow. It's been like 2 weeks since I filmed that vlog. I'm trying to get back into it, regularly posting. So yeah, sorry. I've edited it and now it's gonna go live tomorrow, or whenever Wednesday is. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Are you naked? I'm just ending the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing, have an amazing rest of your day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.